What's going on, Loc Nation? It is your girl Kenyata here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you watch my videos, you've seen my latest lock tutorial, number 11, called Elegant Updo. Now, I received some questions from my lovelies here on the YT and over on Instagram asking me to cover the techniques I used to do this particular style. So I am going to be doing that for you guys here today. The first lock technique that we're getting into is how to do rope twists. First things first, whenever I do rope twists, I like to start at the very beginning with a plait. So I plait a few stitches and then I get right into the rope twist. After the plait, I go ahead and separate this section of hair into two pieces. Now, this is the part that I really want you guys to get. So I took the liberty of slowing down this process because I really want you guys to hone in on the techniques that I am using to create this rope twist. Now, pay very close attention to my hands, the motion, the technique that I'm using to create my rope twist. I am literally twirling the hair as I twist it around each other. So remember, all that you're doing here is twirling the two sections as you wrap them around each other. This is a very repetitive action, so practice makes perfect. Please feel free to go ahead and rewind this video if you feel the need to do so. I just wanted to share with you guys the lock technique that I use to actually create these rope twists. And like always, I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Hit the like button, share this video wherever you share cool stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? And Loc Nation, I'm gonna need y'all to slap that notification bell like it stole something from you, okay? Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know